Alright, so I'm here at the Hard Rock Riviera Maya, south of Cancun in Mexico, and I've noticed something strange about the smoke detector system. First of all, we got the typical Firelight SD355s, and these ones actually kind of pull really weirdly. You might notice it if I go to another detector. Just one detector I've never seen before. It's this one. And I mean, they work. There's also this one out here. Yeah, see, it just pulled really weirdly. Now, there's two detectors I'm really concerned about. This SD355 over here does not power on whatsoever at all. Like, I've stood here for like a couple minutes, will not pull. And then in my room, there's something that happened at about 9 o'clock this morning. And I'm really concerned about it because it was polling just fine until 9, and now it looks like it's activated. It's been like this for a while. I don't see any signs of it. I don't see any sign of it changing. No one has come to my room about it, so I guess that's good. But let's go out here and check for the alarms. Yeah, you probably can't see over here. Hold on. As you can see, BG12 Spectral Alert Advanced right here. I don't know if it's like a 2-wire or 4-wire, but it's not activated, so that's good. Alright, thank you for watching.